In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Higgsfield Popcorn. Now, the first thing you want to do here on their platform, you want to go up top and you want to hover over Image, and then here under Models, you'll be able to see it's going to say Higgsfield Popcorn. So simply click on that, and then in here, this is basically where you can create visual stories with their Higgsfield Popcorn, okay? So to do this, let me show you, it's actually very simple. You have a bunch of different options. The first one is automatic. So you could go ahead and just upload a random image. So if I click on upload over here, I can upload an image. I'm going to select this one, click on open, and then here you can basically just describe the mood or action to create your scenes. So you can go ahead and just, for example, as you can see here, I have this car. I'm just going to go ahead and type in car driving through different seasons. Okay, that's all I'm going to do right now, and that's going to be okay. Now, you could go ahead and, of course, click on how many results you want. You could do like 1 to 8 over here as well, or 7. I'm going to do like 4 right now, and because there's 4 seasons, of course, and then I'm going to do a 3 to 4 ratio. Of course, you can select whichever one you want here, and then you can just use unlimited, or you can, of course, use the other one as well over here if you want faster or slower generation, so that's completely up to you. And then you can click on create or generate, and it's going to start generating. Now over here, of course, you have the manual mode as well. So if I go to the plus here, if I do manual, I can of course put in a source image, and then I can go ahead and describe what happens in different scenes, because this of course will create different images which can represent like scenes from which you can then create your own movies, like short films or something like that. So for example, I could do like, for example, here, like the car drives through the snowy mountains. The second one is a car driving in autumn, stuff like that. So of course you could do like a bunch of different things here, completely up to you. Describe these scenes. You can add in new scenes as well. I think you can add like up to 8 scenes. Yeah, there we go. 7 plus the first one, which of course is going to be your default image you put in here, and then you can generate it like that. Now they also do have this insta dump over here where you can basically generate an insta dump here. So as you can see, it says upload your favorite photos and build a pack to generate new images that look like you. You could create a pack. You could also use any of these different packs over here, and if you want to do that, you can do that as well. And what this is going to do here, let me show you, is if I hide it, there we go, I've actually put in this image over here, and I've just described it to where I want a man on a journey. So there's 4 photos, and as you can see here, this is actually a man on a journey, and if I were to use these images to create like a short movie or something, this would do the trick. Now this one is still loading, of course. Now usually this does take like a few minutes to generate. It may be a bit quicker in case you are during the time of day when there's less generations, but oh yeah, there we go, it's already done. And as you can see, well, basically it did exactly what I requested. So we have 4 different ones here, and these are kind of representing different seasons, okay? It's the exact same car, roughly at the exact same location, and then it's of course in different seasons. So that's actually pretty cool. You can then use these, and then you can then create videos out of these. You can upscale them, you can upload them wherever you want, and that's basically how to use Higgsfield Popcorn over here. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.